Let's add some canvas carrying straps to the Bambu printer to make it easier to move. I've ordered some canvas strapping from Amazon, which came with all these bits. And I've also 3D printed some fittings so that it will attach to the Bambu printer. The way these are intended to work is they go this way if they're on the right hand side of the Bambu printer, and the other way if they're going on the right hand side. So the straps work like this. Short end goes in like that. There is a pin which then fits into the inside, holds everything in place. This then wraps round. It gets inserted into the base of the Bambu printer like that, and this goes up the side. So we've got the strap here, and it just fits in like that, and then up the side of the printer. Once the strap is in, cut it to size, fit the smaller unit for the back, and it just fits in like that, and now we've got a strap, as you can see.